Drinking clove water before bed will do these 9 things to your body. Did you know that something as simple as clove water could transform your health overnight? That tiny kitchen spice you barely think about may work like magic while you sleep. But what happens when you drink clove water right before bed? In this video, I will tell you 9 incredible things that drinking clove water before bed may do for your body. Before making any changes to your diet, always consult your healthcare provider to ensure it's right for you. Stay tuned until the end to find out if clove water is safe for you or if you should skip this powerful remedy. Now, let's start the video. 1. Enhances digestive efficiency. Imagine going to bed feeling heavy, bloated, or just uncomfortable after a long day of eating. It's frustrating, right? But here's where clove water steps in, like a silent digestive hero while you sleep. Clove's powerful compound eugenol begins interacting with digestive enzymes, boosting their activity. These enzymes, such as lipase and amylase, play a major role in breaking down fats and carbohydrates, preventing that sluggish, overstuffed feeling you get after meals. By drinking clove water before bed, you're giving your body the extra support it needs to process food more efficiently, reducing the chances of bloating, acid buildup, or indigestion overnight. And because your stomach isn't overworked while you sleep, you wake up feeling lighter without that lingering discomfort. Additionally, naturally occurring volatile oils in clove water increase gastric secretions, aiding digestion. When these oils get to work, they trigger your stomach to produce the right amount of digestive juices, ensuring that food is broken down properly. Without enough gastric secretions, food may sit in the stomach for longer than it should, leading to bloating, gas, and discomfort. But when digestion is optimized, nutrients are absorbed better, energy levels improve, and your gut feels balanced. According to PubMed, cloves that have been boiled in water have been used for a very long time to treat diseases that affect the digestive tract and the gastrointestinal tract. 2. Promotes restful sleep. After a long day, there's nothing worse than lying in bed, tossing and turning, unable to drift off into deep sleep. The moment you drink clove water, these flavonoids begin to support the production of gamma-aminobutyric acid, a neurotransmitter responsible for slowing down brain activity. When GABA levels rise, overactive thoughts start to fade, anxiety levels drop, and the brain shifts into relaxation mode. Without enough GABA, the mind stays overstimulated, making it difficult to wind down. By drinking clove water before bed, you're naturally encouraging the brain to enter a more restful state, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep longer. Moreover, clove water also relaxes muscles, promoting sleep. Inside cloves are compounds that help ease muscle tension, preventing the kind of physical discomfort that may keep you up at night. When the body is tense, it sends signals to the brain that something isn't right, making it harder to fully relax. But the compounds in clove water gently soothe the muscles, allowing the body to loosen up and prepare for deep rest. This effect is especially helpful for those who experience nighttime restlessness or muscle tightness that disrupt sleep. Researchers on ResearchGate say that clove had strong anticonvulsant, anxiety-reducing, and hypnotic effects like diazepam, delaying seizures and making sleep last longer in a dose-dependent way. 3. Strengthens the immune system. One of the most powerful immune-supporting compounds in clove water is eugenol, which acts as a natural antimicrobial agent. The moment it enters your system, eugenol begins neutralizing harmful bacteria, fungi, and viruses that may be lurking in your body. Unlike synthetic antibiotics that only target certain pathogens, eugenol works in a broad-spectrum way, stopping the spread of unwanted microbes before they have a chance to multiply. This treatment is especially beneficial at night when your immune system is at its most active, repairing tissues and fighting off potential infections. Drinking clove water before bed ensures that eugenol is fully absorbed and circulating through your system during these crucial hours, helping to keep your body's defense system strong. Moreover, cloves battle oxidative stress with their antioxidants, which boost immunity. Every day, your body is exposed to free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and weaken immune function. Over time, this stress may lead to inflammation, chronic illness, and a higher susceptibility to infections. Clove water delivers a powerful dose of antioxidants that neutralize these harmful molecules, allowing your immune cells to function at their peak. When taken at night, these antioxidants work in sync with your body's natural repair process, reinforcing immune function while you sleep. Researchers have found that clove bud powder makes animals' immune systems stronger by increasing the amounts of antibodies, serum proteins, and globulins, while decreasing the amounts of albumin to globulins and heterophils to lymphocytes. Additionally, no changes in the histopathology were seen, which supports the fact that it stimulated the immune system. 4. Balances blood sugar levels. Imagine waking up every morning feeling sluggish, craving sugar, or experiencing energy crashes throughout the day. These are all signs that your blood sugar levels might not be as balanced as they should be. Clove water plays a key role in supporting these functions because of nigericin, a bioactive component that enhances insulin function. When you drink clove water before bed, nigericin interacts with the pancreas, encouraging it to produce insulin more efficiently. Insulin is the hormone responsible for moving sugar from the bloodstream into cells, where it may be used for energy. When this process is disrupted, excess glucose lingers in the blood, leading to high blood sugar levels that may cause fatigue, weight gain, and even long-term metabolic issues. By supporting insulin activity, clove water helps your body process glucose more effectively while you sleep, reducing the risk of nighttime sugar imbalances and improving how your body handles carbs the next day. Along with that, manganese, a vital mineral for glucose metabolism, helps clove water balance blood sugar. Manganese acts as a cofactor for key enzymes that break down carbohydrates and regulate how your body stores and uses sugar. Without enough of this mineral, glucose metabolism slows down, leading to inefficient energy use and potential sugar fluctuations. Drinking clove water before bed ensures that your body has a steady supply of manganese, helping it manage blood sugar levels throughout the night. Blood sugar levels after meals were significantly reduced in a 30-day study published in PubMed that included both pre-diabetes and non-pre-diabetes participants who took clove extract daily. 5. Detoxifies the liver. Throughout the day, your liver is exposed to free radicals, unstable molecules that may damage its delicate tissues. If this damage accumulates, liver function declines, making it harder to break down toxins. Eugenol steps in as a natural shield, neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation in the liver. Drinking clove water before bed ensures that eugenol is actively working while you sleep, helping your liver repair itself and function more efficiently by morning. This not only improves detoxification, but also enhances overall metabolic health. Furthermore, quercetin, a bioflavonoid known for increasing enzyme activity, is another important part of clove water that helps the liver detox. The liver relies on detoxification enzymes to break down harmful substances and eliminate them from the body. When these enzymes are sluggish, toxins linger, leading to fatigue, bloating, and a slower metabolism. Quercetin acts as a catalyst, speeding up enzyme production and ensuring that waste products are efficiently processed overnight. Studies from ResearchGate indicate that clove leaf extract may mitigate oxidative stress, improve liver function, and lower bilirubin levels, all of which contribute to alcoholic liver disease prevention. 6. Relieves respiratory congestion. Struggling to breathe freely at night may turn sleep into a battle. Whether it's due to allergies, a lingering cold, or sinus congestion, a blocked airway may leave you tossing and turning, gasping for relief. When you drink clove water, eugenol begins working by thinning out mucus, making it easier for your body to expel. Thick mucus traps bacteria and allergens, making congestion worse, but when it's loosened, your airways open up and breathing becomes effortless. The remedy is especially helpful at night when mucus tends to settle, worsening congestion. By allowing clove water to work its magic before bed, you're giving your body the extra push it needs to clear out irritants while you sleep, so you wake up feeling lighter and less congested. Apart from that, the anti-inflammatory volatile oils in clove water also help clear up stuffy noses and lungs by applying pressure to the swollen tissues inside them. Inflammation is one of the biggest reasons why breathing feels restricted when you're congested. These volatile oils target the inflamed linings of your respiratory tract, helping to calm irritation and reduce swelling. As a result, your airways expand, allowing for smoother airflow throughout the night. Drinking clove water before bed ensures that this relief takes effect while your body is naturally resting and repairing itself, helping you wake up with open sinuses, clearer lungs, and a deeper sense of relief. Research shows us that clove could be useful in anti-COVID-19 therapy because it has been used for a long time to treat respiratory problems. It may help with respiratory symptoms and other problems related to the disease because it is antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and antithrombotic. 7. Supports oral health. While you sleep, your mouth becomes more vulnerable to bacterial growth, which may lead to plaque buildup, gum irritation, and even tooth decay. Drinking clove water before bed actively fights off these unwanted invaders while also soothing oral tissues, making it a simple yet powerful way to support oral health without any extra effort. Eugenol, a natural antimicrobial compound, is one of the best parts of clove water for protecting your mouth. It gets to work by targeting the bacteria that cause foul breath, cavities, and gum disease. These bacteria thrive in the warm, moist environment of your mouth, especially overnight when saliva production decreases. Without enough saliva to wash them away, they multiply, creating a breeding ground for plaque and odor. Eugenol disrupts this process by neutralizing harmful microbes and preventing them from spreading, ensuring that your mouth stays cleaner while you sleep. By the time you wake up, your breath feels fresher and your gums are less prone to irritation. Furthermore, many people unknowingly deal with mild gum inflammation or sensitivity at night, which may worsen over time if left untreated. The compounds in clove water work by gently numbing irritated areas, reducing swelling and promoting healing within the soft tissues of the mouth. This is particularly beneficial for those who experience occasional toothaches or gum tenderness, but don't want to rely on over-the-counter pain relievers. By drinking clove water before bed, you allow these soothing effects to take place overnight, so you wake up with a healthier, more comfortable mouth that feels refreshed and protected. Researchers at the International Journal for Pharmaceutical Science and Healthcare found that cloves, an old spice, may alleviate toothaches, stress, and foul breath. Its eugenol-rich oil is used for mosquito control, oral hygiene, and fragrances due to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial characteristics. 8. Eases joint pain. If joint pain keeps you from feeling your best in the morning, drinking clove water before bed might be precisely what you need. While you sleep, your body goes into repair mode, working to reduce inflammation and heal worn-out tissues. Clove water enhances this natural process by targeting the root causes of joint discomfort, swelling, stiffness, and oxidative stress. When inflammation builds up around the joints, it leads to stiffness and discomfort, making movement difficult. Eugenol works by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory markers, reducing swelling, and improving circulation to affected areas. This means that as you sleep, your joints are actively recovering rather than accumulating more stiffness. By drinking clove water before bed, you're allowing eugenol to work overnight, so by morning, your joints feel more flexible and less achy. Along with that, flavonoids, which are antioxidants found in plants that protect cartilage from damage, are another important part that helps joints feel better. Over time, everyday movement, stress, and even minor injuries may break down joint tissue, leading to discomfort and reduced mobility. Flavonoids help counteract this damage by neutralizing free radicals, which are harmful molecules that contribute to tissue degeneration. By supporting collagen production and reducing oxidative stress, flavonoids help joints stay strong and resilient. Drinking clove water before bed gives your body a steady supply of these protective compounds while it repairs overnight, leading to smoother, more comfortable movement when you wake up. ResearchGate says that in older people with gouty arthritis, warm clove water compresses greatly reduce joint pain. The average level of pain got less after 5 days of treatment, showing that it worked to relieve pain. 9. Improves circulation. Waking up with numb hands, cold feet, or feeling sluggish could all be signs that your circulation isn't as strong as it should be. Blood flow is what keeps your body energized, your muscles oxygenated, and your organs functioning at their best. Drinking clove water before bed works as a natural way to support this process. When blood vessels are too constricted, circulation slows down, making it harder for oxygen and nutrients to reach your tissues. This may lead to fatigue, muscle cramps, and even an increased risk of blood pressure issues. Drinking clove water before bed allows eugenol to gently relax blood vessels, improving the flow of oxygen-rich blood throughout your body. This effect happens while you sleep, ensuring that your muscles, organs, and brain are properly nourished by morning, helping you wake up feeling refreshed instead of sluggish. Moreover, potassium, an important mineral found in cloves that controls blood pressure and fluid balance, is another important part that improves circulation. Potassium plays a direct role in maintaining the right amount of pressure inside your arteries, preventing stiffness and blockages that may slow down circulation. Without enough potassium, the body holds on to excess sodium, which may lead to poor circulation and increased strain on the heart. Drinking clove water before bed helps balance these minerals, supporting healthy blood flow and reducing the risk of circulation-related discomfort. As a result, you wake up feeling lighter, with better oxygen flow, and ready to take on the day with renewed energy. ResearchGate reports that 8 30-minute massages with clove oil helped 48 non-hemorrhagic stroke patients' muscle strength more than massages without oil and range of motion exercises. Moving on, let's discuss who should not drink clove water. You might be excited to try clove water after hearing about its amazing benefits, but before you take that first sip, let's talk about an important question. Is it right for you? While clove water is packed with health-boosting properties, it's not for everyone. In some cases, it may interact with medications, irritate certain conditions, or even cause unwanted side effects. If you belong to any of the following categories, you might want to reconsider incorporating clove water into your nightly routine. 1. If you have a bleeding disorder, cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has blood-thinning properties. While this is great for circulation, it may be risky for anyone with a bleeding disorder. If your blood doesn't clot properly, clove water could make bruising and bleeding worse. 2. If you take blood thinners or anticoagulant medications. If you're on medications like aspirin, warfarin, or other blood thinners, drinking clove water may increase the risk of excessive bleeding. Eugenol may interfere with these drugs, making them more potent than intended. Always check with your doctor before adding clove water to your routine. 3. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Pregnant women should be cautious with clove water because it may stimulate uterine contractions. While small amounts in food are generally safe, concentrated clove water could pose risks. If you're breastfeeding, it's also best to consult your doctor, as strong spices may sometimes affect milk production or cause sensitivity in babies. 4. If you're allergic to cloves. This one's obvious, but if you've ever had a reaction to cloves, whether it's skin irritation, swelling, or difficulty breathing, clove water is not for you. Allergies may be serious, so avoid it completely if you suspect any sensitivity. 5. if you plan to have surgery soon. Since cloves have natural blood-thinning effects, drinking clove water before surgery may increase the risk of excessive bleeding. If you have an upcoming surgery or medical procedure, it's recommended to stop consuming cloves at least 2 weeks prior to avoid complications. When you drink clove water before bed, your body absorbs powerful bioactive compounds that work their magic overnight. I'm talking about real, noticeable changes: better digestion, a faster metabolism, clearer breathing, and even improved circulation. Every benefit comes from the unique properties of cloves, and when you make this a part of your nightly routine, you're setting yourself up for long-term wellness. If you're looking for a simple, yet powerful way to boost your health while you sleep, clove water might be exactly what you need. Now that we have discussed many benefits of drinking clove water before bed, are you interested in knowing more about tips and tricks to maintain good health? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more videos, shall we? Watch 10 health benefits of eating pineapples every day. You may also try our video on 4 mistakes you should never make when eating avocado. Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and learn more about nutrition. Do you drink clove water regularly? Let us know in the comments below.